This video will walk through how you can take one of the HexIQ templates from our tutorial videos and adapt the formulas for your specific use case. Let's use the example of the benchmark report we created for Covenant Health in Maine. Maybe you work for a different hospital system in New Hampshire, and you want to take that layout and apply it so you can benchmark your own rates. The first step would be to log into the HexIQ platform and download negotiated rates for your specialty and region. In this example, let's pull the same emergency room codes for general acute care hospitals, but get data for New Hampshire instead. I'm going to rename my worksheet and save my main template as a new Excel file. I'll delete columns B through AZ and copy the raw data from my New Hampshire file into my raw data worksheet. It's important to keep in mind that the number of rows will be different from my original data, so I will either have to delete rows or copy my benchmark column formula further down in the spreadsheet. In this case, I definitely have to delete some formulas here because there are fewer rates to compare for this set of data. Next, I'll update my lookups worksheet to enter the details for the organization we want to benchmark. Our CEO's mom used to work at Catholic Medical Center, so let's see how their ER visits rank. I'll delete this second Covenant Health hospital here, so we just have one row in our lookup, and we'll have to update our formulas to change the lookup range to match our updated table. We'll copy this formula down and then make sure that our benchmark column updates to show CMC and other providers instead of Covenant Health. This looks good, so it's time to update the pivot table data source and tweak our chart a little. Let's update the table range, our pivot table references, by changing the last column and row address. We will also have to drag the rate with New Hampshire rates down to our rows because the column name changed when we pasted in the new raw data set. Next, we can reset our rate values to group ranges of rates together. Specify a low value, a high value, and the dollar increments you'd like to use for your range. We can pretty up the colors on our chart if needed, and test that all the slicers are working as expected. Update the title as a finishing touch. You can follow these same steps to update the template to show data for your specific use case too. Thanks for watching! Please subscribe to our channel to see more content like this, or visit the HexIQ website for more information.